Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 5, C is minus 5 and D is 40. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, it is not they different rule. So you have to follow same rule. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Which is coming first, you have to solve that part first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the first bracket. So here we have two brackets. One is 60 divided by 12 and other one is 27 minus 36, 35. So first we have to solve this one. So 60 divided by 12, we get the answer is 5. Multiply by, and this part we will write as it is, and plus 5 raised to power 2. Again we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference. 60 divided by 12 equals to 5. Now move forward to solve the bracket number 2. So now we have to solve the bracket number 2. So bracket number 2 is 5 multiplied by 27 minus 35 equals to minus 8 and divided by 2. Again we will write as it is. Again plus 5 raised to power 2. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference. Right, 27 minus 35 equals to minus 8. Okay, now step number 2, step number 1 we have solved. Now we will go for exponent part, which is 5 raised to power 2. We will solve this part. So what we will do, we will solve 5 multiplied by minus 8 divided by 2. Again we will write as it is, and plus 5 raised to power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25. So here we have to put the reference 5 raised to power 2 equals to 25. Now we have solved the step number 2 as well. Now we have to go for division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go for, like, we have to solve first this part, which is 5 multiplied by minus 8. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is minus 40, and divided by 2, we will write as it is, and plus 25, again we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 5 multiplied by minus 8 equals to minus 40. Now again we have to go left to right to solve the all division and multiplication. So now we have minus 40 divided by 2. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is minus 20. And plus 25 as it is, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like minus 40 divided by 2 equals to minus 20. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 5. So the answer of the given expression is 5. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. You cannot say the answer C is the correct answer. Answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BOTMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in the class. Bye bye. Allah.